How to resize an image in Pixlr online photo editor completely for free. Step number 1 is to drag the image onto Pixlr. Add current or create new. In this case, we're adding an image in. In order to zoom in and zoom out, hold Alt on your keyboard and then up and down on your mouse. Uncheck the image by clicking the lock icon. As we can see, our image is too big to be fitting on our frame or our canvas. Unfortunately, in Pixlr, you cannot click Ctrl-T and readjust the image like you can in Adobe Photoshop. However, as you can see, we have this on the top left. Click it and move down. Click the image, canvas, and adjust your image accordingly. That is how you can adjust an image on Pixlr Online Photo Editor completely for free. If you want to see more free photo editing tutorials, drop this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel.
Thank you.